Okay, so we're gonna do a messy bun today. So I have it curled from yesterday. We're still gonna start with, like we always do, a dry texture spray, the do-over or the bedroom hair. Then we're gonna pull it up to the top of our head. If you have weave, make sure it doesn't show. Okay, so we're gonna start twisting it. And you're gonna set your finger up on the top and you're twisting it around your finger. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in it and really pull. Pull at it and start shaping it how you wanna see it. And then pull these pieces out. If you need a bobby pin, I'm gonna anchor it down. Okay, look, there you go, that was quick. All right, so I wanted to give y'all one more tip. Right here, you can see kind of a receding hairline that I have. I do this anytime I do a ponytail, sometimes even when it's down. So I'm just gonna take brown eyeshadow and go in and cover that area up. And use like a soft brush that'll make it look natural so you're not just like having this harsh brown spot on there, but you can see it kind of just softens the look. So look at it before, see where it comes back, and then after. So let me do that on the other side. Yes, ma'am. Okay, that was quick. A quick little, this is, like I said, one of many sock buns that you can do on top of your head, and we'll do some more later, but I hope y'all like this one.